Okay guys, quick update for Bitcoin. So I've been telling you if we push up to short 30K that would be the top. I am currently in a short right now. I am up $4,200. I use BitGet to trade. If you want to sign up, my link's pinned in the first comment and description. I also have a no VPN option for you. So let's recap really quick guys. So this was 2 videos back. I was telling you if we push up, the point to short was 30K. I'll put a link to this video now if you want to check it out. Listen to what I said. This same line will flip as resistance, just like the previous fib channel line if we push up. So it's talking about this A1 chart. If we push up, that line will flip as resistance. You can see we hit it close to 30K. In that very same video at the end, listen to what I said. To 30K, consider yourself lucky, as that will be your very last chance to short the top. So I was letting you know if we push straight up, 30K is the point to short. You can see we got rejected at this point. This is what I'm calling the guideline. So every time we push up or we go sideways, every time you make contact with this line, this is where you will short. The last video I put up, I'll link up to this video now, I was talking about it's very likely we could push up. Now I was telling you a likely point we could hit was 28,900. That's if we went sideways and up. Obviously this is an angle. The longer it takes to hit this point, the lower the price. But if we pushed up, that's why I was saying 30K would be the top. But again, I was saying it's very likely that we would push up, get rejected, which we did, and now I believe we're headed down to 25,000. We'll push up one more time to around 26,800 to get rejected, and that would be the final crash. And as you can see, this is the chart I was talking about. We hit we hit around 30K. So again, either we go up, sideways, or down, but either way, when we make contact with this line, this is when you enter your next short. I believe we're headed down to 25K. Then we push back up. When we hit this point, we get rejected and crash. Let's see here in Discord. Let's go to live trades. So this person did 60x, 416%. Wow, 125x, 811%. 10x, 35%. 20x, 101%. See here, 314%. 60x, 21, 115. 75x, 356%. Wow, they use really high leverage. 25x, 53%. 191, 250. So we all shorted the guideline. It played out fantastic. But just to recap, guys, again, what I'm expecting, like I said, go watch the last 2 videos. I do think it's very possible that we are headed down to 25K. We will get one more fake out to the upside. We'll get rejected and come down. Guys, if you want to sign up for the charts, website's at opticalcrypto.com. Links pinned in the first comment description. And if you want to sign up for BitGet, the link's pinned in the first comment description as well. That's it, guys. Trade safe, trade smart. I'm out.